Alright guys, today I'm excited to be checking out the GoGonova metal detector. We're going to take this out of the box, do a quick assembly, and then of course run some tests. First off, we got a nice pair of headphones. That way you can do your detecting in relative privacy and not be bothering other people with the sounds of the beeps. Looks like it's got a nice long cord and then also a volume control on the side, which is nice. And when you find your metal treasures, you're going to need a way to dig it out of the ground, of course, so they provide a nice shovel. Collapsible and easy to open. They're nice enough to include a little carrying bag that will hold all of these pieces. It's nice to see that the computer component, they take extra steps to make sure it arrives in one piece. Computer. And of course, don't forget the 8-inch coil that's going to mount at the bottom. This being kind of a beginner-friendly one, I'm glad that they include the little notes on how to use it properly, that tell you how to sweep properly. All right, now with all of our components out of the box, I'm going to show you how quick and easy the assembly is. Step one is you just put your arm support in. This is adjustable. There's two different locations you can tighten this in to make sure it's nice and comfortable. Next, the computer unit just slips on here and then forward a little bit, and it has this little set screw. So what's great about this adjustable length handle is you just push the little metal tab and then you can lock it into position. So it's not totally reliant on these little rings here. You do tighten these down, but it's not going to move on you by accident because it's got these locking pins. And really the last step is to attach the coil. The coil has a nice tight fit. Once you ratchet this down, there's no play in the head at all. The only play I'm noticing is just very slight play from these locking mechanisms here. And then you just got to thread the cord up to the computer, and this will slide into the back port here. With our detector now assembled, we're going to go try it out at the beach.